Welcome, everybody. Today we're going to talk about paying off your mortgage in 15 years with some proven strategies that really do work. Now, have you ever wondered just how much money homeowners actually end up paying over the life of their mortgage? It is really a staggering amount of money. Trust me, I've bought a lot of homes. I do see how much you will spend on interest over the life of those loans. So let's get into an example so you can see how much you really are spending on interest. So on a $400,000 loan with, let's say, a 30-year loan, interest rate is 7% and 3% FHA down, you're going to look at $541,295 you're going to pay in interest. This means you paid $141,295 more in interest than the actual cost of the home. That is a ton of extra cash that could be going to something else. I don't know, like starting a business. Maybe you can use that money to invest in the stock market or even just buying some rental properties to get some cash flow. So imagine this. What if you could pay off your mortgage 10 or 15 years early? How would that change your life? Now, would it mean financial freedom, less stress, or even the ability to retire early? Who doesn't want to retire early? I know I do. So let's look at what happens if we can pay the loan off early. You have freedom from monthly payments, right? So imagine waking up one day knowing you're completely debt-free when it comes to your home. No more mortgage payments to worry about. Now, when I say debt-free, that means just the mortgage, like principal and interest. You will still have to spend money to repair the home, and you're also going to have to pay taxes and insurance. So there are some costs, even if the home's paid off. Now, looking at the earlier example of the $400,000 mortgage at 7%, 30-year loan, 3% down, once you pay off the mortgage, you would no longer be paying the $2,581 principal and interest payment. You'll have increased equity. The faster you pay off your mortgage, the more equity you build up in your home. And this can be a valuable asset. Then next, you have peace of mind. Knowing you're not tied down by a mortgage can provide a sense of financial security and a peace of mind, especially when you need to retire or you're getting ready to retire. Now, if you need some help, we have a link in the description for our free guide on how to do house hacking. House hacking is a very easy way to buy a property and then you live in it, and then you can make rental money at the same time while you live in that property. And that guide will show you how to do it. Now let's look at strategies for paying off your mortgage early. So number one, extra payments. You've heard of this, everybody has. The most straightforward method to use. You just make extra payments on your mortgage each month. Even small amounts can make a big difference over time. So for example, if we take that $400,000 home, if you were able to pay just $100 more a month to the principal, you would save $72,515 on interest, and you would knock 3 years off that loan. Take, for example, Sarah and Mike, a couple who wanted to pay off their mortgage years ahead of schedule. And so what they did, they started by making biweekly payments. Then they refinanced the loan to a 15-year mortgage, and within just a few years, they were able to pay off that mortgage in full, and it completely changed their financial situation. I also made extra payments and refinanced my home when rates lowered. So I was able to pay off my mortgage in 14 years. And believe me, it feels great not having that loan payment anymore. Next, debt snowball method. If you have other debts, what you want to do is consider paying them off first using the debt snowball method. Once those are gone, focus on your mortgage. So the debt snowball method is a debt reduction strategy that involves paying off debts in order of the smallest balance to the largest balance. And then once you pay the smallest debt off, you use that money then to pay off the next debt. 3, you can also do refinancing. Like I said earlier, I did that in some cases. You refinance to a shorter loan term, or you lower the interest rate, and it can really help you pay off your mortgage a lot faster. Now, if rates drop a point or two, then look to refinance. That's really when you want to do it. If you've been paying on it for 5 years or more, then interest rates drop. Do not go back to the 30-year if you can. Try to see if you can go to the 20-year or 15-year, and you can even pay it off quicker. We've explored some powerful strategies to really accelerate your mortgage payoff here. You'll need to stay the course, okay, once you start this and you decide to pay off your mortgage early, and you'll just have to keep on top of it. Next, we want to discuss overcoming challenges. Then one of the big challenges is being motivated and staying disciplined, right? So by visualizing your financial goals and practicing discipline in your spending habits, you're going to be able to accomplish your goals. The other thing you need to watch out for is unexpected expenses. Create an emergency fund to cushion the impact of unexpected costs that may come up in life. And then you're just going to have to be patient, and you're going to have to persevere. Remember, early mortgage payoff is a journey. You have to stay patient and persistent. 10, 15 years to pay it off is quite a while. So paying off your mortgage early is definitely achievable, and it can have a huge impact on your financial situation. By using one or more of these strategies we just went over, you can take control of your mortgage, start building a brighter financial future for you and your family. So what you need to do is start taking action today by just making like an extra $100 a month payment. That's all you need to do on your loan. And this will start you on the journey to unlock the benefits of financial freedom. I hope you found this video helpful. Hit the like and subscribe button, and then check out our other videos on wealth building, real estate, and making money. And let us know your thoughts in the comment section.